Let me be blunt. If your Facebook posts get no engagement, this is why. You don't need better products. You need better posts. That's why I'm reviewing 100 Facebook viral prompts. A simple collection of ready-to-use Facebook post prompts designed to stop scrolling, trigger comments, boost reach, drive traffic and sales. No writing skills needed. Beginners, affiliate marketers, business owners, anyone using Facebook for traffic. Not for people who don't post at all. Facebook loves engagement. These prompts are built to create curiosity, start conversations, increase organic reach. Comments right pointing arrow reach right pointing arrow traffic right pointing arrow sales. If you want faster posting, better engagement, less guesswork, yes, it's worth checking out. Click the link in the description. Review the page. Grab it if it matches your goals. Simple system. Low risk. High upside.